Hi, this is Phil Thompson, owner of Passport to Savings, and I'd like to welcome you to our program. I wanted to give you a quick overview of the interface that you'll be using to navigate amongst the ads that are featured on the Passport to Savings website. At first glance, the interface may appear a little complicated, yet I assure you, once you understand it, you'll find it very easy to use. We've designed it to be both simple to navigate, yet very powerful, because we've given you many tools that you can use directly from this one interface that's used in viewing each one of the advertisements. If you look in the upper right-hand corner of the page, you'll notice that there are two tabs, one labeled Advertisement, one labeled Coupons. You can switch back and forth between the advertisement page and the coupon page for that particular merchant simply by clicking on the appropriate tab. Some merchants have as many as 4 or even 6 tabs, each pertaining to a different subject about that merchant. The next section that I want to show you is the series of buttons running down the left side of the interface. These are a series of contact or action buttons. There are a total of 8 buttons showing here, yet each business will have a different number showing on their particular ad based on which of these functions apply to their particular business. The top button with the W will bring you directly to their website. The button with the envelope will open up your email program in order to contact them via email. The button with the printer icon simply will print the page that you're on. Click the button with the phone icon if you'd like to set up an appointment with that business or you'd like them to call you back. The button with the automobile icon is to get driving directions to that particular business. Simply enter your starting destination and MapQuest will give you step-by-step directions to the business. We've even made it simple for you to store in some of your frequently used starting destinations such as home and work, and therefore you don't have to enter them each time. Simply select which one you want to start from. The next button down is where you'll bookmark pages that you want to return to for future reference. Each time you log in, you'll come to a welcome screen, and that's where you'll have access to the pages you've bookmarked. The button labeled SM is for social media. This is where you'll access Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any of the other social media programs that this particular merchant has pages on. The last button with the envelope with the arrow coming out of it is the share button. This allows you to share this ad with somebody else, either through email or through social media. If you ever forget what any of the buttons does, simply hold your cursor over the button without clicking, and text will appear that tells exactly what that button does. We will now move to the top middle section of the interface, where you'll see 2 rounded tabs sticking up that are labeled Go to Previous Page and Go to Next Page. If you picture the entire website as a book, and each advertiser has their own page, and then within the page you have the tabs that split up that page into different sections for that particular advertiser. If you look at the center of the tab in the black strip, you'll notice that there's a business name. On the left, Go to Previous Page, it would be Jiffy Lube. On the Go to Next Page, it would be Pearle Vision. If you look at the right tab, you'll notice that above the business name Pearle Vision, it says View Advertisement on the top portion of the tab, and on the lower portion of the tab it says View Coupons. This allows you, by clicking the upper part of the tab, to go directly to the advertisement for Pearle Vision, or click the lower part of the tab and go directly to the coupon for Pearle Vision. And remember, you can always switch back and forth between the coupon section and the advertisement sections by clicking those tabs in the right-hand corner that we first talked about in this tutorial. If you're a previous ValueBook user, you'll notice that all the ads have been redesigned to fit the new Passport to Savings format. They contain a great deal more information about the businesses, and we hope that you'll take the time to learn more about each of these businesses with the new information that's provided. The big advantage of the split top and bottom tab is it allows you to very quickly look at the business name and decide whether you want to go directly to the ad or go directly to the coupon section. Besides navigating page by page, you also have the ability to search two different ways. Both of these search functions are contained in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Use the upper one to search by name or keyword. If you're looking for a particular business, simply enter the name or part of the name in that top strip, hit the icon on the right-hand side, and it will show you the results that will take you directly to that ad. If you want to search by category, use the lower one. Simply hit the arrow on the right-hand side to reveal the different categories. Select the one you want, and the businesses within that category will be displayed. The final section of the interface is fairly self-explanatory. It's Help, FAQs, Sign Out, and Settings, and it appears directly above the two search functions. If you're having trouble with anything on the interface or anything with the program in general, click the Help button and we'll be happy to get back to you to solve the problem quickly for you. FAQs, or frequently asked questions, just give a list of some of the more common problems that people may have asked questions to in the past. For convenience, you'll probably choose to keep yourself signed in, but for some reason if you choose to sign out, click that button, you'll be logged out, and go back to that same section and it will now say sign in to log yourself back in. The settings button will take you to the panel that has all the information you've chosen to store within the program. This is where you can add on certain things such as your addresses for the MapQuest function or cell phone numbers for the callback